Butterflies on my insides have all gone away. You're not along for the danger, but I'm here to stay.
Alright, so I just got my new wheels put on. It was a bit of an endeavor. So the base model wheels, I believe, are 9 inches in the front and the rear. So I was running 245s in the front and 275s in the rear. And holy shit, that's an R32. Sorry. 9 inches all the way around were the base model wheels, the Enki base model, whatever, you know them if you drive this car. And so these were 9.5 inches all the way around. So the 245s on the front were a little bit hard going on. The tire machine that the place that I went to, the discount tire that I went to, was having a really hard time mounting them. So they sent it to a different discount tire that had a different tire mounter that had a better shot at it. So whatever, so that took a little bit of time, and then I'm an idiot and forgot to get lug nuts. I just didn't even think about it. So they were like, where are your lug nuts? And I was like, you can't use the stock ones. So hi, I'm an idiot. But they had some black lug nuts, which actually turned out really well. So I'm going right now to drop the 4th old tire off, or old rim, sorry, whatever you want to call it. I took the first 3 home in one shot, but the car was pretty full, so couldn't fit the 4th. So there it is. It's in the Cosmis wheels box. I'm really pretty happy with it. You guys will see. Pokes a little bit in the front, and the back needs like a 5mm spacer. I don't really know that I love to poke in the front, but as of now, there's not a lot I can do about it. I mean, I get to roll the fenders, which maybe I will do. We'll see. I've always wanted to roll my fenders. It's just these are already kind of pretty far out, so we'll take a look and see how that goes. But I am going home. I am going to go wash the car, and then hold on. Let me put this back up where it belongs. Resonators in here of different lengths, and no, I don't know the RPMs that they target off the top of my head, but hey, as I was saying before the phone fell for like the 7th time, I'm going to wash the car so it'll look nice, and then I'll take some pictures and maybe do a cleaning car montage. I've never done one of those before, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to drive home and I'm going to put the stock muffler back on. I don't know if you guys saw that video that I made, or if I posted it or whatever, but the moral of the story is the stock muffler definitely has a rattle in it. It's in like the big chamber, and I can't, it doesn't seem like it's something I can shake out. I don't know if all the like baffles inside of there or something broke loose. I have no idea. I know Honda could probably x-ray it, but I don't know how I feel about going there and asking them to do non-work stuff. It's probably frowned upon. So in the short term, I'm probably just going to put it back on, because there's no way that I can do this. It just makes me cringe, and it's really freaking loud. Everything else about it's great. It pops, it backfires like a son of a gun. You know, when it starts up, the rumble is low and wonderful, but I just can't live with that. So yeah, that's an update for you. Like I said, I'm going to a car wash right now, and I'm going to wash the car, and then I'm going to go home and swap out these short tails for the muffler again until I either find another stock muffler or buy one of the many aftermarket axleback sections that has some sort of muffler or resonator or both. Yeah, so I guess I've rambled enough now, and I'll talk to you guys and girls later. Thanks.
what you waiting for? I've been feeling low. Won't you give me, won't you give me, won't you give me more? I fall even deeper in the lies, they don't keep me away. You wanna know my secrets, so